Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how do you play No Man's Sky easy method. Jump into the settings, lower difficulty, enable HUD assists, and choose a starter ship with strong launch thrusters for easy early survival. Focus on mining ferrite and carbon first, sell priority resources at space stations, and upgrade your multi-tool for mining speed. Keep a waypoint on economy systems, accept simple missions, and learn basic ship combat to stay alive and prosper. Start by scanning planets with your analysis visor to reveal points of interest and resources, then mark landing sites for safe exploration. Upgrade your exosuit to boost hazard protection and carry more resources, and fit a scanner upgrade to find rare materials. Always repair life support and shielding before exiting the ship. Catalog new species for units, and use signal boosters to hunt crashed ships or buried technology for quick early upgrades and credits. Quick recommendation: if this guide helps, please subscribe and like to support more easy guides and tips. On another note, I use Droplet Stay Hydrated Anywhere with the Owala water bottle, and it keeps me focused during long gaming sessions. Check the description for the link and other deals. If you want more gear picks, comment below and I will share favorites. Thanks for the support. Now let's get back to the video. Learn basic ship combat by using boost to dodge missiles and focus fire on engines or weapons to disable foes quickly. Trade excess materials at space stations and watch system economy for high-demand goods to sell for larger profits. Build a simple base with a refiner to create valuable items, hire a freighter when you have enough units, and balance exploration with missions to steadily grow your fleet and gear.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.